Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M33, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into download mode. So for this you'll need a cable plugged into your computer, and once you have that ready we can begin. So let's start off by turning off our device. Once the phone is off, you want to grab the cable and you will plug it in, and once you plug it in, hold volume up and down at the same time. As you can see, this will show up, a blue screen. I'm gonna unplug it. I don't need it plugged in, I'm just showing this off, but obviously if you're utilizing download mode, you will need it to be plugged in. And in here, it tells us to press volume up to continue. And there we go. We are now in download mode. It's a little bit obstructed by the text, but you can see it right here downloading. And that's basically it. That's one of the ways you can access it. The other way you could access it is by going through recovery mode, which you access by holding power key and volume up at the same time, again with the cable. And in recovery mode, you can select reboot to bootloader, which also takes you to download mode. Now, once you're done with this mode and you want to leave it, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down for more than 7 seconds, as it's written right here. So let's do that right now. This will reboot the device and it will start booting back up into just typical Android. And you can see we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.